Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. There's nothing between the teams heading into the return leg of the quarter-final round of the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League after two exciting drawn results at the National Stadium on Sunday. Renata Brown reports.
10 goals were scored in the opening legs of the quarter-final round of the Jamaica Premier League at the National Stadium, with both games ending in entertaining draws. In the second game of the doubleheader, champions Cavalier had to claw their way back from 2-0 down to draw 2-2 with Waterhouse. Guyanese Neran Barrow in the third and Denardo Thomas in the seventh had given Waterhouse a dream start. However, Daryl Massicott halved the deficit for the back-to-back champions in the 36th minute to trail 2-1 at the break. Excelsior High player Kimarley Scott, who was a provider for Cavaliers' opening goal, then added his name to the score sheet in the 64th minute to level the contest. No earlier, Racing United rallied from 3 goals down to draw 3-3 with Portmore United. Ronaldo Robbins gave Portmore United a 5th-minute lead. He doubled the advantage in the 9th minute as Portmore ended the half comfortably ahead. Peter McGregor put Portmore United further ahead in the 52nd minute. Racing then cut the deficit in the 59th through a strike from talisman Tajay Grant. Nikhil Ellis with a 79th minute strike made further inroads into the scoreline before Asher Hutchinson made sure both teams would go into the second leg even as he equalized in the 87th minute. The return leg of both matches will be played on Wednesday at the same venue.